we are gonna try and fish. The waves are about a little bit bigger than they said. And then we got one stabilizer in. This one's frozen. It's frustrating. The ice. It took me a long time to get my poles down. I'm gonna get this off the roof. Frozen, haven't been fishing. Really, really cold. In the single digits. This is freaking extreme. Damn. You know what? In Sitka, it's like 25 degrees warmer. They don't have any of these problems. They got all the freaking fish. Salmon right there. Look at him. Oh, got him. We got him. We got him. Oh, let's pick it up. Sorry, no crazy. Got him. Got him. Salmon. Put the whooping on it today. We're getting the fish. Like that. That is fish. I don't know if he's big enough though. He's looking bigger all the time. Look at him. He looks plenty big. Whoa. Whoa, definitely big enough. Oh yeah. Whoa. Don't shout like crazy. No crazy shouting. Whoa. Got it, you guys. I can show you how to hook up the old bait. Hook up the old bait. This is the blue current dye herring brine. Secret brine. See, put the hook in there like that. Boom, and then pop. Just about like that. You will go out, sir. You will go out, sir. Let me see. Oh, good. You're good for the dog. What are you doing? What you could do? Break the ice. We'll go break the ice. So, we'll come back. Let me see. We'll go fish with your papa. Easy to go fish with your papa. Good. Lay special treat. Hold on. Good. You're gonna feed the rest of you. Are you almost ready? Oh, hold on. Where's the mouse? Get your mouse. Get it. Where's the mouse? Get the mouse. Get that mouse. Get the mouse. Get the mouse. Is it a ball? Get it. Catch it up. Listen, catch the mouse. Where's that mouse? Listen. Is it here? What about that? Dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dig. Get the mouse. Where's it? Dig, go, dig, 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 dig. Listen, come on.